teachers and my dear friends. As we all know that India observes Kargil Victory on 26 July every year. This day is celebrated to commemorate the Kargil War's victory and also to honor soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country during Kargil War. In 1999, India and Pakistan had a Kargil War that lasted for almost 3 months. During the war, the Indian Army evicted Pakistani intruders and succeeded in recapturing Tiger Hill and other posts as a part of Operation VIJAY. Kargil Victory is a symbol of pride, bravery and glory of the Indian Army when India successfully took command of the high outpost on this date in 1999. The Indian forces defeated Pakistan on July 26, 1999. This day is celebrated honoring our brave Kargil War heroes who fought for our country during day and night. Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. On this Kargil Victory, let us remember the true heroes of our nation who laid down their wars for a better tomorrow. Jai Hind.